How to reduce iPhone app loading time. Hello, everyone, and welcome back. In today's performance optimization of our iPhones, we're going to be reducing the loading time of applications. So, to do this, simply go into Settings, and once you go into Settings, you're going to scroll down and then tap into General. Once you tap into General, you're going to scroll down and then go into Background App Refresh. Once you go into Background App Refresh, you're going to disable unused apps and free up system resources for better performance. This allows your phone's RAM to be engaged in actual applications that you are using instead of having all of these background applications. So you can choose whether you want this both on Wi-Fi or mobile data, and whatever apps you don't think are necessary for you, you can toggle them off like this. So I'm just going to toggle off any applications that I don't deem necessary. Once done, you can go back and you will see better performance by your iPhone. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.